Before we talk more about Dorian, we need to check in at home because there's some pretty big storms right now moving into Broward and working their way to the south. Had big storms in Miami-Dade earlier, causing a little bit of street flooding, but this is where the activity is now. You can see it right all up and down 441 there, the turnpike as well. This is going to be a pretty stormy evening for the next hour or so, and it's really going to kind of mess up the evening commute. These storms are going to try to slide south into Miami-Dade and east as well to the coast, but very heavy downpours this breaking the afternoon heat today, and we're probably going to see a repeat of this tomorrow. Now into the tropics and Dorian here, which literally is swimming in a sea of dry air. Some of that dry air is getting into the storm there, and that has likely just limited the development because other than that, there really wouldn't be much holding it back. And you can see the upper part of the storm, very, very round, indicating that the high parts of the storm have very, very low wind shear and a favorable environment there. The middle of the storm, hurricane hunters have found, does have some wind shear in it, and that's where some of that dry air it's working its way in, and when you get dry air into a tropical cyclone, they don't like that, and it keeps them from intensifying, and that has been the case today. We do like that, by the way. 50-mile-an-hour winds moving to the west-northwest at 13. You can see the storm size there. Not terribly big, 80 miles to the west of Dominica. Here's the future track, and it comes up toward Puerto Rico on Wednesday, and then possibly through the Mona Passage here. It could miss the mountainous, the very high mountains of the western Dominican Republic there, and if it does, it's hard to say how much disruption there will be. In fact, as it crosses through there, this is the Thursday afternoon time frame. We'll be really watching to see what shape Dorian is in by the time it gets to this point, because after that, it gradually turns and bends back to the west. Here is the Sunday afternoon time frame. And the thinking would be, if it slows down, that wouldn't be good for Florida because it would have more time over the very, very warm waters of the Bahamas there. Here's one way we look at tropical storms. The threat for tropical storm force winds now up to 50% in San Juan. That is through Thursday morning, and then here we come into Florida over the weekend there, and you can see fairly high values or marginal values, but basically from Key Largo all the way up to Jacksonville, and it's a good idea not to focus on any one part and say, oh, that's where it's going, because too early to tell. We just don't know. Here's our Windjam Resort camera this afternoon. It's raining a bit. 90 in Miami, 84 Fort Lauderdale, Hollywood, 92 in Key West. Very humid, very tropical. Feels like temperatures have been close to 110. Look at the highs today. Low to mid 90s everywhere. It was a sizzling, scorching afternoon. Temperatures across the country likewise are warm over much of the nation and hot in the southwest. Here's our forecast for tonight. Evening storms, and that activity will be dying down probably by about 9 p.m. Then kind of some light rain until about 10 p.m. Low near 78. Tomorrow, look for a hot, steamy, sunny start. Very hot once again, mid-90s for highs, and mainly afternoon thunderstorms, but the feels-like temperatures from 102 to 108. For boaters, winds of the northwest at 10, seas 1 to 3 feet, a light chop on the bays. The extended, it calls for hot sun and heavy storms the next couple of days in the afternoon. Friday, a mix of storms, and then Saturday, if it's needed, and it's way too early to tell, but this would be our day when we wrap up our preparations, probably early on Saturday, if needed. And then, of course, our weather Sunday and maybe even into Monday would depend on Dorian. Back to you.